Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch Patreon videos for free. So if you've seen people claiming there's a trick to unlock paid Patreon videos without subscribing, then you might want to watch this first. The truth is there isn't a legitimate method to watch Patreon's creators' paid videos for free. Patreons protect members-only content, so videos behind a paywall are only available to supporters with the required membership tier. And if you come across websites, browser extensions, or apps claiming they can unlock Patreon videos for free, then you should avoid using them because many of those are scams and they ask you for your login details or may install malware on your device. However, many creators also publish free posts, previews, trailers, and public videos on their Patreon pages. You can view those without becoming a member. And if you want access to every member-only video, the only official method is subscribing to the creator's Patreon membership. So that's what everything you needed to know about watching Patreon videos for free. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.